Are you tackling a big home project, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site in Dickson, Tennessee? When you need a reliable, efficient, and affordable dumpster rental, look no further than Dumpsters on Demand. At Dumpsters on Demand, we specialize in providing top-notch dumpster rental services tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're clearing out clutter, remodeling your home, or handling large-scale debris, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. From small cleanouts to major construction projects, we offer a range of sizes to fit any job. Our dumpsters are delivered promptly, placed carefully, and picked up on your schedule. No fuss, no hassle, just seamless service. Why choose Dumpsters on Demand? Our commitment to excellent customer service, competitive pricing, and hassle-free experience makes us the top choice for dumpster rental in Dickson, Tennessee. Our team is here to assist you every step of the way. Have questions? Need a quote? We're just a phone call away. Ready to book your dumpster rental? Visit us at www.dumpstersondemandllc.com, Dumpster Rental Dickson TN, for easy online booking and more information. Or give us a call at 615-971-3668. Dumpsters on Demand, your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs in Dickson, Tennessee. Dumpsters on Demand, prompt, reliable, efficient,